Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to embed Slack inside your Notion workspace, even though Notion doesn't allow direct embedding. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a streamlined method for linking your team's Slack, making collaboration in Notion smoother and more connected. This is especially helpful if you often bounce between Slack chats and your Notion docs, so let's get started and make your workflow as seamless as possible. Now, here's the deal. Unfortunately, you can't natively embed Slack into Notion. Notion isn't set up to display Slack as an interactive panel or widget. But don't worry, there's a solid workaround that lets you keep your team's Slack just a click away in your Notion workspace. All you need is Notion's web bookmark feature. This trick is neat, quick, and accessible for absolutely anyone. First, open up the Notion page where you want your Slack link to live. When you're ready, simply type web bookmark anywhere on that page. You can do this just like you'd add any other Notion block. Start with the /, then begin typing web bookmark and select the option when it pops up. If you've never used this before, a web bookmark in Notion is kind of like a sticky note, but for websites. It lets you save a clickable preview of any web page so you and your teammates can jump over to important resources, from project dashboards to your favorite chats, with a single click. Next up, you'll want to grab the right Slack link. Open Slack in your browser, not the desktop app. We want a URL. Navigate to the specific channel, conversation, or workspace you want to connect. For example, if your team always communicates in a channel called Project Alpha, make sure you're on that channel's page in the browser. Then, head up to the address bar, select the entire URL, and copy it to your clipboard. Take your time here. Making sure you've grabbed the correct link can save confusion later. Now, swing back to Notion, where your web bookmark block is waiting. Paste that Slack URL right into the field, and Notion will quickly generate a neat little card, showing the title and possibly a preview of the Slack page. At this stage, Notion isn't displaying Slack's content right on your page, but you've created a direct, attractive gateway to your team's collaboration hub. Anyone with access to your Notion page can just click the bookmark and instantly land in Slack. No fussing with searching for links or switching back and forth. This method is surprisingly handy for keeping your workflow tidy. For example, if you're managing a big project and want your team to track tasks in Notion while discussing updates in Slack, they can now jump straight to the right Slack channel from within your Notion dashboard. If you're an organizer, think of it as posting a signpost, guiding your team exactly where they need to go. And that's really all there is to it. Just remember, this is a linking solution, not full embedding, but it gets you almost all the convenience you were hoping for. If the preview doesn't look quite right or you accidentally grab the wrong URL, don't stress. Just delete the bookmark and try again. This part is easy to tweak. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have any questions about Notion, Slack, or integrating other tools, leave me a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!